Hi, I'm Ed Reyes with Master Builders here in Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you the proper use of an electric scroll saw. The first thing you want to remember is safety first. What we're going to do is take this plong and plug it in correctly. Make sure it's in all the way. The next thing to do is always wear your safety glasses. I always wear them with the angles on them for safety. You always want to make sure you keep your hands away from this reciprocating blade. It's very small, but it's very sharp. And there is a unit here that we'll explain later that will add to the safety to keep that board from bouncing. Basically, the only thing you need to do around here is make sure your hands stay about 4 to 5 inches away from that blade at all times, because you're cutting intricate cuts, turns, and angles, and the wood will jump if you're not careful. So always be careful with your hands when you're close to that blade. Do not wear gloves or long sleeves.